Yeah, why you mad? I got a bag, bro. Name hot in these streets, no Tabasco.
Wagwan peeps, is your boy DJ Valjo, aka CJ. Right now, I know everyone now did a wait on a video right here. You don't know, and that's why we're there right now. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, you gotta subscribe. You gotta subscribe, isn't it? And you have to like up the video, leave a comment if you have to, and because I get right in the video right now, isn't it? So basically, as you see to the title, I'll be rating KFC. I'll be rating Kentucky Fried Chicken, isn't it? So basically, we have Kentucky Fried Chicken right now. We have KFC right here, isn't it? 50 cents then I do this here, and I tell a dog, I tell her, say, yo, I'm not a KFC fan, so you know, so I'll be honest with them. I don't too eat KFC, but I just feel the vibes. I not too consume KFC, white for that they about you. I not too consume KFC, but right now I consume someone. Giving an opinion on how the KFC, because we have in the bag right now, we have, see there, the bag. So we have in the bag right now, we have the, it's a spicy chicken. Remember which size, but it's a spicy chicken, so just take it out of the box. Alright, so if you eat good, if you eat good, they'll start with KFC, isn't it? I'll start with KFC if you eat good, don't 50 cents, isn't it? So see there, this is a KFC box. You can see it, well sealed, fast food time. So add some ketchup. And the fork. It's a 2-piece because I don't know, I'm not a fan of KFC, so I'm not going to buy more than 2 pieces. It's a 2-piece spicy, isn't it? Alright, so I'm just pull it. So the chips dash in the piece. Chips dash in. Chips dash in the piece. And these are the chips are in. Chips not so bad. The chips taste different from full original chips, so it will sell. So you can see in the box here, there. You see it? Alright, so I'll bust on and ketchup and see it. One thing we miss about KFC, you know, 50 cents. One thing we miss about KFC, back in the days we used to could have got KFC before COVID, before coronavirus. We could have got KFC and drink our one, because you see as the cup empty, especially when we go for a trip. And every time the cup empty, we go back again, I will get some more drink, isn't it? I think it's a joke. Every time the cup empty, we go back and refill the cup, and think. You can say it's a secret recipe, but I'm not seeing nothing secret about this. Stop the black pepper. Right now, guys, there's a long time I'm in the studio, and right now I'm in the studio. If you realize, I have green screen back behind me. Long time in the studio, guys. So you must respect. So video epic. That is one ketchup, and I bust the other one. Alright, so I just get a liquor, cause we're then in the studio, see me and go and drink and grab down 50 cents.
KFC.
Pepper throat them, people. Pepper throat them.
Yeah. 6.
So, would I rate KFC? Would I give them a 7 out of 10, isn't it? Would I give them a 7 out of 10 people? For the most part, isn't it? Basically, I hate that, isn't it? If you want food mug, or what they call it, mug bag or whatever, but not now, isn't it? In the future, you see it? So big up on yourself, isn't it? Big up on yourself, make sure to subscribe, like the video, share the video, see you man. DJ Joe outside. Let's make sure you subscribe to this channel right now. And please people go over to DJ Joe TV vlogs and also subscribe. Realize that no matter how me I share the thing, you not head over there, isn't me? You not watch the videos them a lot and them thing there, isn't me? So right now we're outside, stunting out.